Now we will look at this example of linear function. In each of the following triples, there is a linear function. Find it and answer all the questions. If you look at this equation, x cube minus x, due to the presence of x cube, x to the power 3. So this is a cubic equation, no more linear equation. The power of the variable should be 1, not more than that. If you look at the second equation, y minus 1 equals x minus 4. The two variables are there, x and y, but their powers are 1 each. So this is a linear equation. E to the power x, x being at the exponent position, becomes an exponential function. So the only linear function out of these three is the middle one. So for the A part, what is the name of the form in which it appears? Y minus 1 equals x minus 4 can also be written as y minus 1 equals 1 times x minus 4. So if I look at this equation, I have m and I have 1 point. If I compare it with y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, so it's same. The given form is the point slope form. The given form of the equation is the point slope form. The B part, what is the slope of the line? As you have seen just now, if I compare them, value of m is 1. So the slope of the equation, that is m, is 1. For the C part, what is the vertical intercept? Vertical intercept is a y-intercept. Y-intercept is obtained by substituting x equals 0. Y-intercept is obtained by putting x equals 0 in the given equation. So if I want to obtain this value, I have the equation y minus 1 equals x minus 4. I'll put x equals 0. Y minus 1 equals 0 minus 4. So y minus 1 equals minus 4, or y equals minus 4 plus 1. I'm bringing this 1 on the other side. Y equals minus 3. So the value of y-intercept is minus 3. B is minus 3. Similarly for the D part. D part says what is the horizontal intercept? Horizontal intercept is nothing but the x-intercept. Horizontal intercept is nothing but the x-intercept. As we obtained y-intercept, similarly we obtain x-intercept by substituting y equals 0. I have the equation y minus 1 equals x minus 4. I'll put y equals 0. Minus 1 equals x minus 4. So the value of x is minus 1. This 4 on the other side becomes plus 4 equals x. So 3 is the value of x. So the value of y-intercept is minus 3, but the x-intercept is 3. Provide 2 points on the line. Y minus 1 is the given line. So for getting the 2 points, is say E part. As you have already seen that the x-intercept is 3. So it is nothing but the 3, 0. 3, 0 is the x-intercept. It being on x-axis, the y-coordinate is 0. Similarly, we have obtained the y-intercept. Y-intercept is minus 3, so 0 minus 3. So these are the 2 points which already exist on this line. Then the last part of the question says write different forms of the line. You already have one form, that is the point slope form. Y minus 1 equals x minus 4. If I want to write the first form, that is the slope intercept form, it is y equals mx plus b. I'll write the equation of this form. So m y minus 1. Y minus 1 equals x minus 4. I'll bring this one on the other side. So y equals x minus 4 plus 1. So y equals x minus 3. So this is the first form, slope intercept form. The second form is 2-point form. We already have 2 points 3, 0 and 0 minus 3. I'll just substitute in the equation y minus y1 equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 x minus x1. So y minus y1 is say 0 equals y2 is minus 3 minus 0 over x2 is 0 minus x1 is 3 x minus x1 is 3. These are the coordinates x1 y1 x2 y2. I substitute these values here and I get the equation of the form y minus 0 is nothing but y equals minus 3 over minus 3 x minus 3. This is the 2-point form of the given equation. The last form is the standard form. Standard form is written as ax plus by plus c equals 0. So I will write this equation by putting all the values on the one side. Y minus 1 equals x minus 4. I'll take both these values on the other side. So I have x minus y minus 4 plus 1 equals 0. Minus 1 being negative on the other side becomes plus 1 and the equation becomes x minus y minus 3 equals 0. This is the standard form corresponding to the given equation. Similarly, if I take an example which says you have the equation 2x minus y plus 1 equals 0, then this is the standard form of the given equation. From this standard form, if I want to write the other three forms, first form is the slope-intercept form. How to write the other three forms? Slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is nothing but y equals mx plus b. I have the equation 2x minus y plus 1 equals 0. I'll keep y on one side and shift the terms on the other side. Y being negative, it is easy for me to transfer this y itself on the other side because the other terms are already positive. So 2x plus 1 equals y equals mx plus b. This is the slope-intercept form corresponding to the given equation. The next form corresponding to this is the point slope form. For the point slope form, I need one point, that is m. If I look at the slope-intercept form of the given equation and compare it with the standard form, m is 2. Like we have 2x plus 1 equals y and y is equals to mx plus b. So the value of m is 2 and the value of b is 1, which is actually 0, 1. So I have one point and I have one slope also. So the point slope form for my equation can be written as y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So I have y minus, my first point y1 is 1 equals m is 2, x minus x1 is 0. This is the point slope form corresponding to the given equation. The last form is the standard form. Sorry, standard form is already done. The 2-point form. 2-point form. I need 2 points. One point I already have is 0, 1. To get another point, I will assume 1 of the value. We have y equals 2x plus 1. Let us suppose x is 1. Let x is 1, so I have y equals 2 times x plus 1. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 equals 3. So y is 3. So the second point is 1, 3. I have 1.01 and 1, 3. Zero, 1 and 1, 3 are my points. So these are x1, y1 and these are x2, y2. So if I want to write the 2-point form, it is given by y minus y1 equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, x minus x1. So the equation, I'll just substitute the values of x1 and y1. Y minus y1 is 1 equals y2 3 minus y1 1 over x2 1 minus 0, x minus x1 0. This is the 2-point form corresponding to the given equation. This video actually shows the interconversion of different forms of the straight line, and the concept of x-intercept and y-intercept is also clear. You calculate x-intercept by just substituting y equals 0 in the given equation, and y-intercept is obtained just by substituting x equal to 0 in the given equation.